Hi! Ako si Eriza at welcome sa YouTube channel ko. Gusto mo bang matuto ng Tagalog? Tara, simulan na natin! So in English, it means, Hi, I am Eriza and welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you like to learn Tagalog? Come on, let's start! Okay, so we're now on lesson number 3. So for this lesson, we will talk about the pronoun I or ako in Tagalog. So formal and informal sentences, the use of I, and how to introduce yourself in Tagalog. So let's start. Okay, so I is ako. Ako. So example sentence is I am Eriza. I am Eriza. So that is ako, I see Eriza. Ako, I see Eriza. So I is the be verb, am is, are, was, were. Okay, and then ako is I. The verb am is I. And then the name is si Eriza. So we always add si before a name of a person. Okay, so this is the formal way. We call this the formal way. So formal way is we will just follow the English sentence pattern. So if you notice, we started here with the subject. Subject I, ako. And then the verb I, am. And then the predicate, which is si Eriza. Okay, so let's see another example. I am Eriza. Now, what I'm going to show you is the casual way. So the casual or the informal way is we will reverse the sentence. So instead of starting with the subject, we will start with the predicate. Okay, so we will start here with Eriza and then I. So that will be si Eriza ako. And if you notice, we dropped the verb. So there is no verb for informal or the casual way. And again, si is a marker of a person's name. So we started with Eriza, or in Tagalog, si Eriza. So there's no verb. So we will go now to the subject, which is I, and that is ako. So the casual way is si Eriza ako. So now let's compare informal and the formal way. So the formal way is ako, I see Eriza. So we just followed the English sentence pattern, subject, verb, object, or the predicate. And then the casual way is just the object or the predicate and then the subject. There's no verb. Si Eriza ako. Again, ako ay si Eriza ako. Okay, so another example is I am from the Philippines. So the formal way is we will just follow the English sentence pattern. So we will start with I, which is ako. The verb is I. Taga from Philippines, Pilipinas. So ako ay taga Pilipinas. So again, taga is from and it's always linked with a hyphen. So origin of person is taga plus the country or the place. So again, ako ay taga Pilipinas. Ako ay taga Pilipinas. So this is the formal way. Let's go now to the casual way. So the rule for casual or informal is we will start with the object or the predicate and then the subject. So that will be taga Pilipinas ako. Taga Pilipinas ako. So taga Pilipinas is from the Philippines and the subject ay ako. And we don't need the verb for the casual way or the informal way. So let's now compare I am from the Philippines, formal and informal. So formal is ako ay taga Pilipinas. Ako ay taga Pilipinas. Informal is taga Pilipinas ako. Taga Pilipinas ako. Another example is I am a Filipino. I am a Filipino. So formal way is just follow this pattern. So ako ay Pilipino. So Filipino is Filipino in English. Ako ay Pilipino. So normally the article a and there's no translation in Tagalog. So ako ay Pilipino, formal way. So let's now go to the casual way. I am a Filipino. So we will start with the predicate and then the subject. So that will be Pilipino ako. Filipino is Filipino and ako is I. So we will drop the be verb. So that will be Filipino ako. So let's now compare informal and formal. Formal way is ako ay Pilipino. Ako ay Pilipino. Informal is Pilipino ako. Pilipino ako. So another example is I am a teacher. So casual way, the formal way is following the English sentence pattern. So that will be ako ay guro. So you can also say teacher. So TS is pronounced CH. Teacher. So ako ay guro or ako ay teacher. So again, I is ako, be verb am is I, and teacher is guro. Ako ay guro. So now let's go to the casual way. I am a teacher. So that will be guro ako. So we started with the predicate and then the subject. And then we dropped the be verb. So again, teacher is guro. And then I is ako. Guro ako. Okay, so let's now compare the formal and informal. So the formal way is ako ay guro. Ako ay teacher. The casual way is teacher ako. Guro ako. Okay, so when you're trying to introduce yourself in Tagalog, you can combine formal and informal. Like, ako ay si Eriza. Taga Pilipinas ako. Ako ay Pilipino. Guro ako. Okay, so you can do that too. So let's have an activity. So I want you to introduce yourself using this pattern. So your name, your country, your nationality, and your profession. Salamat! If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you!